Hey everyone, it's Morgan and I'm about to show you how to get more money. So following up on our last video that showed you how to sell things on eBay without leaving your house, now that you've sold some items, we want to show you how to ship the items. So the first thing we're going to go over are the items that you need in order to be successful with your eBay business. The first thing is a scale, not a scale to weigh yourself, but a little digital scale that you can weigh your items so that you can print the eBay label from your house and take advantage of the discount that eBay offers. The other thing you also need are boxes and or envelopes. We use these main boxes, the 6x4x4, 4x4x4, and 8x4x4 are the most popular ones, and we also highly recommend please recycle any boxes that you get in the mail yourself. And I'm going to have links in the description of this video to all of these items so that you can get them. And then the last items that you need, the postal service is so rough that you definitely want to get some fragile stickers and basically some tape as well to tape every single item that you have up. So I have already sold an item. It is a face lotion product. Another thing we like to do is we like to put some little thank you notes. It just says, you're pretty darn awesome for supporting small business. Your feedback would be great. And then please let us know if you have any problems with your order. So once you get all your supplies together, you want to put some bubble wrap around your item. You're going to put it in the box, and then you're going to weigh it with your digital scale. So once we weigh this, we see that this item is 4 ounces. So I'm going to share my screen with you because I know it's a lot easier to learn something by seeing somebody do it. So I have opened up my eBay selling page, and it's super simple. You just want to go to print labels and ship right here. So once I hit print labels and ship, you're going to click print shipping label. Super, super, super easy. Definitely not a hard thing to do at all. All right, so once this page loads up, all you're going to need is the basic information. It's going to ask you the dimensions. So I'm going to come and put 6x4x4, and I'm going to put our ounces are 4 ounces. So then I'm going to hit update on this. And you see they have several options, and this one's going to be set first class, and it's going to be $2.93. Our ship date is today, April the 9th. Then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and I just click purchase and print label. And just like that, you are done. It's going to pop up, and then you will be good to go to print this. So it's super, super easy. So go ahead and get to selling today. Peace.